This is my favorite sunscreen ever.
Soda stream. Today we're going to be making come on with.
So I just went on a hike with my siblings. We went on a hike jog in the desert. I'm in Vegas right now, so now I'm gonna go see some real estate here in Vegas, and it's really interesting to see the difference between the houses here versus LA. And I am actually thinking about getting my real estate license in Nevada. I'm gonna start studying to get that license. I need to take a few classes, and I'm taking these online classes with Real Estate Express. I'm gonna leave the link down below for that. So if you're interested in getting your license in one of the states, they have most of the United States classes that you need to get them. You can go to that link, and they have really great classes, and it's all outlined what you need to take, and it just makes it a lot easier and less confusing. And there's also continuing education if you need to renew your license in one of the states. So there's a separate link that I'll leave down below for them. And so I'm gonna start taking those classes for Nevada. And the reason I wanna start getting into some real estate in Nevada is because Las Vegas is so close to LA. It's just a 4-hour drive away. And the real estate here is a totally different ballgame. Houses out here are a lot more affordable. For the most part, there's just mostly tract homes and a lot fewer custom homes. And it's really interesting to see. So right now I'm gonna go see some tract homes from some builders. Some of the main builders are like Pulte Homes, Toll Brothers, and there's a ton of other ones. But in Las Vegas, it's really interesting. They're all in little communities, and some of them like have golf courses. And it's super interesting because it's very different from LA, where most of the houses are custom homes. And here in Vegas, a lot of the homes just kind of look like each other. They're all very like cookie cutter, but it's a lot more affordable to get something a little more fancy and bigger and grander. I'm excited to see those and show those to you. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this a thumbs up. Okay, so here's the first home I'm gonna see. And this is a model home, so you can kind of customize these homes because they're custom built for each person. You can pick and choose what you like, so you can choose different types of flooring, different types of wall textures, different staircase types, so you can have ones that are more open, some that are closed off, and it's super cool that you can customize each little thing you want about your house before it gets built, so you don't need to go through remodeling a house that's already built. So when you walk into this house, it starts with an office. On the other side, you go into a guest bedroom. And then I really like the open floor plan about this house. I like how the dining area, the living area, and the kitchen all kind of blend into one. It's definitely more contemporary and more modern to have it all open. And like I said, all the specific things such as the cabinets, the countertops, the fixtures, and the small details are all customizable, so you can choose what kind of countertops you want, what color cabinets, even the style of the cabinets, what kind of island you want. But I really like what they chose here. And then over here in the living room, you can even decide if you want a fireplace and go all the way up. Yeah, I don't like that. It's so cheap. Is it a nice house or a all of these in this neighborhood are really, really big and grand, and super nice, so come on. So when you walk into the living room, kitchen, dining room, all in one. And as you can tell, the ceilings in here are crazy high. I don't know how people can change their light bulbs, but you know, that's a problem for the future. So here there's a giant island and huge stoves and ovens, very nice appliances and finishes. And the view is also super nice. You can see the Las Vegas Strip all the way out there. I'll take you out here. And just under the moon over there, you can see the Las Vegas Strip. Out here, there's also a jacuzzi, a TV area, and a grill. And I'm pretty sure that all of this is like a giant flame that can light up, and you can just sit by the fire over here, which is really nice because it gets really cold here during the winter and fall and spring. Okay, so I'm going to take you to the bedrooms now. So you go through from the living room, and the first stop is the master bedroom. And here is the actual bedroom, and there's a lot of storage, built-in storage. This is one of the model homes, so all these finishes are not necessarily what you would get, but you can kind of choose and pick what you like. And then over here is the closet, which I think is very nice. I'm sort of a neat freak, so I love that there's so much space to really neatly organize everything. It really satisfies me. And then here's the bathroom. And there's 2 sinks and a really nice tub and a huge shower. And this is super cool because it can kind of be an indoor-outdoor, because you can open this giant door to the outdoors. The prices out here in Vegas are nowhere near the prices in LA, so I think that's really cool because something a little more grand and fancy, you might call it, goes for a lot less here than it does in LA, and it's a lot more affordable. So something like this is probably going to go for about $1.5 million to $2 million, whereas in LA something like this would cost a fortune, somewhere up in the 7-8 millions. Hello and welcome to another house. These ones are 2 stories now, so welcome in. So here's our entrance. We got a little fountain outside. And when we walk straight into the common area with the kitchen, dining area, and living room area. And here is a very nice wine closet. Just like in the other house, very nice kitchen appliances, Sub-Zero fridge. All of these really nice appliances, like I said, are probably upgrades and don't come with the standard versions of these houses. I've noticed that in a lot of these model homes, a lot of the bedrooms have like very specific themes and they go all out on them. This is a perfect example. This is a very soccer themed room with the nets and the balls and even the pattern on the walls and even the pictures and everything in the closet too. I just think it's really funny how they really go all out on these themes. And here's another one.